Ever wondered how to naturally combat herpes and strengthen your immune system against it? Today, we're diving into this. Grappling with herpes can be a daunting experience, but understanding it can make a world of difference. It's not about masking the symptoms, but discovering natural ways to fortify your body's defenses. We'll be exploring the intricate relationship between herpes and your lifestyle choices, and deciphering the power of nature's remedies. So, let's start by understanding what herpes is. Herpes is a common virus that causes sores on your genitals and/or mouth. With two main types, HSV1 and HSV2, herpes is a condition that affects a large portion of the population globally. HSV1, often referred to as oral herpes, results in cold sores and fever blisters around the mouth and on the face. HSV2, on the other hand, typically leads to genital herpes. Both types share similar symptoms, including painful blisters, itching, and sometimes even flu-like symptoms. They spread primarily through direct contact with an infected individual, often during an outbreak when the virus is most active. It's important to note that herpes can still be transmitted even when there are no visible sores. Herpes is a lifelong condition. Once the virus enters your body, it stays there for good. However, don't fret. While there's no cure for herpes, there are medications to manage it. These can help reduce the severity and frequency of outbreaks, making life much more comfortable. Herpes medications can help control outbreaks, but they can also have side effects. Commonly prescribed are antivirals like acyclovir and valacyclovir. They work to reduce the severity and frequency of outbreaks but may cause headaches, nausea, or even kidney issues in some cases. Famciclovir, another antiviral, may cause similar effects. Topical creams such as penciclovir can also be used, but they may cause skin irritation. But did you know that herpes outbreaks can be influenced by your menstrual cycle? Yes, women may experience more frequent outbreaks during their menstrual cycle. Hormonal changes that occur during menstruation can create an environment that is more hospitable to the herpes virus. Estrogen and progesterone levels fluctuate, potentially causing a dip in the immune system's ability to suppress the virus. This can lead to the onset of an outbreak. It's important to note that everyone is different and not all women will experience this correlation. Another surprising trigger for outbreaks: sugar. Consuming a lot of sugar can weaken your immune system and trigger herpes outbreaks. Now that might sound a bit alarming, but let's break it down. When you consume sugar, your body's immune response slows down. This is because sugar competes with vitamin C for space in your white blood cells, effectively limiting their ability to fight off infections. That's right, the very cells that should be protecting you are compromised, and this can lead to an increased risk of herpes outbreaks. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. There are plenty of healthier alternatives to sugar. For instance, natural sweeteners like stevia or honey are excellent options. And let's not forget about fruits. They're nature's candy, packed with vital nutrients and fiber that can help strengthen your immune system. So, the next time you're reaching for that sugar-laden treat, remember its potential impact on your health. And while we're on the topic of consumption, let's talk about alcohol. Alcohol, like sugar, can trigger herpes outbreaks. A glass of wine or a beer might seem harmless, but alcohol can negatively impact our immune system. It reduces our body's ability to fight off infections, making us more susceptible to herpes outbreaks. Alcohol also dehydrates us, which is a stressor that can provoke the virus. So, if you're trying to keep herpes at bay, it might be a good idea to limit your alcohol intake. Another dietary factor to consider is arginine. Arginine is an amino acid that the herpes virus needs to grow. Foods rich in arginine, like nuts, seeds, and chocolate, can fuel the virus. Reducing your intake of these foods can help manage herpes outbreaks. But remember, balance is key. Your body still needs arginine for other essential functions like healing wounds and removing ammonia from the body. So it's not about total elimination, but moderation. On the flip side, L-lysine can help combat herpes. Lysine is another amino acid that can inhibit the growth of the herpes virus. By blocking the activity of arginine, which aids in the replication of the herpes virus, L-lysine effectively helps to prevent outbreaks. Incorporating L-lysine into your diet can be as simple as eating foods rich in this essential amino acid. Foods like fish, chicken, beef, lamb, milk, cheese, beans, brewer's yeast, mung bean sprouts, and most fruits and vegetables are excellent sources. Cruciferous vegetables are also beneficial. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale can boost your immune system. These green powerhouses are packed with vitamins and minerals that bolster your body's defenses. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help fight off harmful substances in your body. By incorporating these veggies into your diet, you're not only enhancing your immune system, but also creating a hostile environment for the herpes virus. So don't just pass by the produce aisle next time. Grab some cruciferous vegetables. And don't forget about vitamins. Vitamins A, C, and E can help strengthen your immune system against herpes. Vitamin A, found in foods like sweet potatoes and spinach, boosts the health of your skin and mucous membranes, the first line of defense against the virus. Vitamin C, present in citrus fruits and bell peppers, enhances your white blood cell function. Vitamin E, found in nuts and seeds, aids in the repair of skin tissue. Incorporating these vitamins in your diet can be a powerful tool in your fight against herpes. But what about stress? Can it cause a herpes outbreak? Yes, stress can indeed trigger herpes outbreaks. When we're under stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that can weaken our immune system. This weakening can make it more difficult for our bodies to fight off the herpes virus, leading to an outbreak. It's like opening the gates for the virus to take over. Stress can come in many forms, from physical exertion to emotional turmoil. And it's not just the big stuff. Even everyday hassles can add up and take a toll on our immunity. So, what can we do about it? Well, it's all about managing stress and bolstering our immune system. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and mindfulness practices like meditation can all help. These not only reduce stress but also strengthen our body's ability to combat the virus. Remember, the key is not to eliminate stress entirely, that's impossible, but to manage it effectively. Now, let's look at some natural remedies for herpes. Natural remedies like aloe vera and tea tree oil can soothe herpes sores. These naturally occurring substances have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can alleviate discomfort and expedite the healing process. Another powerful natural remedy is oregano oil, renowned for its antiviral properties, which can help combat the herpes virus when applied topically. Apple cider vinegar too can be used as a topical solution, given its astringent properties that aid in drying out sores. Echinacea, a potent immune booster, can be consumed in tea or supplement form to bolster your body's natural defenses against the virus. Remember, the effectiveness of these remedies can vary from person to person, and they should be used in conjunction with a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and a nutrient-rich diet are all critical components of an effective defense against the herpes virus. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of staying hydrated. Staying hydrated can help your immune system function optimally. Hydration is a key player in maintaining a healthy immune system. It aids in the production of lymph, which carries white blood cells and other immune system cells. It also keeps your mucosal linings moist, which can help fend off herpes viruses. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And remember, if you're feeling thirsty, you're already dehydrated. And that wraps up our discussion on combating herpes naturally. Remember, while there's no cure for herpes, you can manage it with a healthy lifestyle. From reducing sugar and alcohol intake to boosting your intake of L-lysine and cruciferous vegetables, every step counts. Remember to stay hydrated and manage stress. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.